Hi guys, so today we're gonna be talking about headphones again, as I spoke on my first video that I ditched my Astros A40s with sound mixer and we're looking to buy headphones for gaming and occasional music listening. I purchased 4 headphones to try out and test them and see which one performed the best for me, the build quality that I like, price, and so on and so forth. So today we're gonna be talking about my second headset. First time we were talking about Sennheiser HD660S, and today we have here a Audio-Technica ATH-R70X. So as always, we're gonna go ahead and unpack them, see build quality. We will be talking about their performance and specs, and at the end I will tell you what I think about those headphones, whether I like them or not, how did they perform for gaming especially and for the music. So stick around, let's do unboxing. Okay guys, so let's unbox that big boy and talk about the build quality, first impression, and then we're gonna go ahead and talk about specs and performance and stuff like that. So this particular headphone retail on Amazon for $349, so it's very up there in the middle range, and it comes in the box like this. It's fairly big box. But it feels very light. On the box you have a picture of the headphones, then what's included in the box, and some basic information in several languages. So let's pull it out from the box and see what's in there. Wow. So once you open the box, you will see the black foam and the headphones are sitting right there. And let's take them out of the box and see. Oh wow, this headphone is super light. I think it's around 210 grams, so it's feather light. And what else in the box? Let's see. Where do we open it? On this side. So we have cable. It's a hybrid cable. I'll talk about it in a minute. And then we have a pouch for this headphone and just basic paperwork like warranty and this kind of good stuff. So let's put the box on the side and talk about actual headphones. So there we have the headphone, pretty nice headphone. It's pretty light, it's only 210 grams, so it's feather light, you barely feel it on your head. The entire headphone is made of, not entire, but most of the headphone is made of metal, like metal mesh on the open back, also metal head strap like around the head, because this is not your conventional headphones when you have like the head strap and the basically head strap underneath of it to hold on your head. They decided to go with the technology like the head clamps, which basically laying on your head and holding the headphones. But it's super soft and it's not that pushy here, so it feels comfortable on top of your head. This part of the headphones is plastic, like here. But I don't feel it's gonna break or anything. It still feels nice. The clamps, head clamps, are also made of plastic, and there you have some padding underneath. And actually, ear cups are very soft and nice to touch. Yeah, very nice headphone, and it comes with the cable. It's not a balanced cable; it's unbalanced cable like this. And basically it's a hybrid cable, and what I mean by that, it comes like that in 6.3mm connector, but you can unscrew that connector and turn it in 3.5mm if you need to use it with your computer to plug directly in the sound card, or you're using any device which requires 3.5mm connector. there it is on this cable. And if you don't need to use it, you screw this 6.3mm connector back on and you use it with your other devices, so which is very nice, but a little bit disappointment that in that price category they didn't add a balanced cable with it, but you can buy it aftermarket one. There is tons of it. Let's go about the specs, what this headphone does. So again, it's a professional reference headphone, open back. The driver size is 45mm. Frequency responses is from 5 to 40,000 Hz, and sensitivity of this headphone is 99 decibels. Again, weight, how I said before, 210 grams, and impedance for this headphone is whooping 470 ohms. So it's harder to drive those headphones if you're looking to plug them to your cell phone and listen to music directly from the cell phone. It's gonna be harder to drive, they're gonna be much quieter, and I think with this headphone you should use external amplifier. So how do they perform? This headphone is pretty flat, and again, it's a reference headphone. The low frequency or bass is pretty muted. It's not that forward and not boomy, but it's kind of like muted that I didn't like it that much. But high frequency and mids are pretty good. The sound stage is really good on these headphones, so if you're planning to use them for a gaming, it's a really great headphone for gaming due to sound stage and precise that sound location, like localization. You can locate the footsteps or shots where they came from and stuff. This headphone does very well with the good imaging, not perfect, but really good imaging and really wide soundstage. I like that they sound in music pretty nice, but it all depends on your ears and what you like to listen. If you don't listen some music with that boomy sounds and stuff, then it's gonna be great for you. If you like those boomy sounds, again, it's open back headphone, bass not gonna be that immersive and nice, but you can use equalizer and EQ these headphones a little bit and get a little bit more sound out of them. So overall, I do like these headphones, but what I don't like about these headphones is comfort. How I said at the beginning, I do like the head clamps and they laying on your head like pretty nicely, and you barely feel that you have those headphones. But man, those ear cups, they are rounded and pretty small. So when you're putting on your head, after a while, because your ears basically are squeezed between that ear cup and it's clamped right on your ears, after a while it starts hurting your ears. So when I were playing with them for a few hours, I needed to pull them apart and push them from my ear, and basically it was pretty uncomfortable. So the comfort is not there. I think if you get these headphones, you will need to buy aftermarket ear cups, which can possibly degrade the quality of the sound. That's what I've heard. Or if you have smaller ears, then it may work for you, but bear in mind, for long listening or long using, those ear cups are pretty small and they're rounded. This part is not really rounded, so basically it will touch your ears and it will become annoying after a while. But overall, do I suggest these headphones? Yes, I do. I think best, like definitely sounding better than a Sennheiser HD660S for gaming. That definitely. In music, they kinda, I think this headphone is a little bit brighter in sound, but again, the music, it's very similar, I will say, based on everybody's ears. Like everybody hear the sound differently or like different sound, especially in music. Do they sound great in music? Yes, they do sound good in music. they do sound great in gaming. Comfort not there, but overall great headphones. So here it is, we completed our second review of the second headphones, and if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. If you wanna see more content like this, please subscribe and hit that bell button so you will be notified where my next video coming out. And if you have any questions or you have different opinion about these headphones, please leave me a comment below and let's have a discussion. So thank you very much guys, I appreciate you all, and I see you next time.